Hi, hello, this is Anup here, and in this video, what we are going to see is how to upgrade SCCM or Configuration Manager to the latest production release, that is 2111. Okay, so this is the last release of this year, and we are going to see the upgrade of 2107 to 2111. Okay, so let's see updates and servicing and see whether okay, the update is getting downloaded now, and this will happen automatically once the product or production version is released worldwide, right? So initial release would be a limited release, and for that you might need to run a PowerShell command, but after that you would be able to see the updates in the console if you have a service connection point configured as online, right? So now what to check the download details, you always need to open dmp downloader.log from the site server, right? Program files, Microsoft Configuration Manager, logs, and DMP downloader. That is the path, as you can see over there in the screen. And you can see where it is getting downloaded. Let's try to check that location. Oops. Let's remove that slash. And this is the 2111 version setup, but it is not recommended to install it from here. Never do that. That is not supported. Okay, let's check the size of it, right? What would be your guess? I think it would be around 2.8 gigabytes. Okay, it's not very small. Okay, so now it's ready to install. You have options to install the updates, run prerequisite checks, etc., right? If you are running this in production, I always run the prerequisites check 2 or 3 or 1 week before, right? And for my lab environment, I'm just right clicking on that option and click install updates, right? So these are the default options. That is what I'm going to select, but in production and production for the production SCCM or Configuration Manager 2111 upgrade or update, you need to, it's better to select the pilot collection, etc., right? Okay, we have completed the wizard. Let's close this. Okay, let's check the status, right? So checking the prerequisite, that is the status for now, and you can check the show status button from the related objects option over there, right? So that is where you can see the progress of the 2111 version upgrade or update of Configuration Manager. So over here you would be able to see it has started the process of upgrading your configuration manager server, primary server, right? And replicating content, that is the status you can see over there. This is where you can track the upgrade process of configuration manager, and in the description below you can see the log files related to that. Okay, so if you want to confirm, check and confirm what is going on, so probably this is the log file you need to check and confirm. Okay, I have seen replication is taking a lot of time in most of the environment. Even in my lab environment, it is taking a lot of time. I don't know why. Okay, hman.log, that is the one. Now let's try to do something, right? You need to remember that you need to refresh, click on the refresh button on this page so that the progress will be visible to you. So this is not a dynamic update page, right? So you just need to click on update refresh button, then only the update will show up. Okay, so hman is moving now. Okay, and the other log which you can look into is probably, yeah, this might not be very useful config mgr setup, but cm update log is the one other log which would be helpful in this situation, right? So prerequisite check, we'll quickly check. Everything is fine. The only SQL thing, backlog thing is there, that's fine, but probably you might get into .NET kind of errors in the prerequisite check. So you need to be very careful about the .NET upgrades which you want to do as part of the pre-checks. Okay, in 2111 version of configuration manager. I have some blog post, the very detailed blog post about the upgrade scenario, right? The .NET upgrade scenario, how you can track it, what is the best method to upgrade it, and which are the site servers and systems you need to upgrade with the latest version of .NET, right? Latest supported version, I would say. Okay, with configuration manager. So I will put that blog post link in the description of the video so that you can go into. If you hit prerequisite error with .NET, right? This is going to be an interesting upgrade because Microsoft is planning to remove some of the inventory items, etc., etc., right? I will share those things in a different video where I will go through the new features of configuration manager 2111. Okay, so CM update thing is going on still. You don't need to keep looking at CM update .log, but it is better to monitor if you want to know what is happening, right? I have seen people starting the configuration manager upgrade and logging off for the day's work, and then the next day morning they will come back and check, oh, everything is good. So people are very confident about the configuration manager upgrade, right? Or update. In console update, we used to say, or we can still say that. So let's see. I think we can probably ignore those red lines in the log file. Okay, and check the status. Okay, installation completed. Now last post installation steps are going on. Now probably it will ask for the console upgrade. I'm going to do the console upgrade as always. Right. This is standalone primary server and I can directly upgrade the console. But I always get a very annoying error whenever I try to upgrade the console, because there are some other users logged into the primary server, and if they have launched the console, then the console upgrade won't happen. You need to kill the console. Looking at the task manager, go down a bit and you would be able to see the console icon or configuration manager console icon. Kill it, end task, okay, and click on retry. That might help you to fix the console issue, okay, or console upgrade issue to 2111 version of configuration manager. Okay, now it is going through the upgrade or update of console is going through. Okay. Okay, so the installation started and completed. Let's try to launch the console and go to updates and servicing and see. Okay, so this is installed and the version is 9068. Build number of 2111 is 9068. Okay, and the client version is 90681005. Okay, so we have successfully upgraded at the primary server, standalone primary server, to the latest version, production version of configuration manager, that is 2111. Now in a different video probably I will show how to upgrade the secondary servers. So I have a different video already how to upgrade a secondary server. I can link that to this video also. Otherwise this will appear in the on the right top corner of your screen in during this video, so you can click and check on that, right, how to upgrade, to understand how to upgrade your secondary server. So that was a quick video about upgrading configuration manager version to 2111. As I mentioned before, you need to run the prerequisite checks a week or 4 days before the production upgrade always. That will give you ample amount of time to resolve all the prerequisite check related issues, especially for this version, because there are some dependencies like .NET. In the last version upgrade itself, Microsoft started showing those warnings, right? If you have already completed .NET upgrade, then this version upgrade of configuration manager will go smooth. Otherwise, you will there are chances that you will get stuck, right? So yeah, there are some easy way or workarounds to speed up the .NET version detection, etc., etc. after the upgrade. I have explained that in the blog post, which I'm going to link in the description of this video. Okay, so don't forget to look at it if you got stuck in .NET version compatibility issues or your prerequisite, if your prerequisite check failed before installing 21.11 version of Configuration Manager. Hope this video was helpful. Thank you all for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.